Hello my lovely ladies, welcome back to my channel. This is Joita and you're watching Mommy to Daddy. And today I will be talking about a new change to my skincare. As you know that I had vigorous acne problem which was very much serious due to many health reasons and also my lifestyle and the wrong products choosing. But trust me guys, as I have changed my lifestyle, my eating habits and also the absolutely toxin free natural products, my skin started glowing. As you can see, I have nothing on my skin and it's still glowing guys. I have just a little bit of lip balm on and I'm so happy with a naked face. So when your skin glows, you absolutely feel confident and you feel happy inside and out. So today I will be reviewing two of my favorite products right now which I'm using thoroughly, and I'll be talking about all the credits of this product and what it has done to my skin. So let's get started. Is the range I'm talking about, which I'm absolutely delighted to use, and you can definitely see my happy face, which is the Mom's Co natural green tea range. Okay, so this range has four products into this, which is the face wash, which is this one, the toner, this one, and it has also the face cream and the night gel. Currently I don't have that too, but I'm having these two and I'm so happy. Now let me tell you why I'm so happy with this. Now this product contains niacinamide, aloe vera, green tea extract and willow herb. All these products are so great for acne prone, sensitive and combination skin. Like my skin tends to get so much oily and thus it has some breakouts. As you can see, I have a single breakout over here, but I'm not worried. I'm sure that within 3-4 days it will be vanished and there will be no scar at all, because as it has niacinamide, it also helps to what should I say, slowly depigment the scars onto your face. Okay, so this product has niacinamide. Now I will be washing my face and showing you how it feels and talking about the ingredients and its credits. So let's start it. I've already dampened my face with some cold water and here is the face wash. Now let me show you the texture of this. It is a light gel sort of texture. As you can see, you just need this much amount, a very peanut size amount. Now what I'll be doing, I'll just lather it between my fingers and wow, it feels so refreshing guys. This face wash is so great. As you know that niacinamide controls excess oil and breakouts, and green tea also helps sebum control, and the aloe vera soothes your skin. This face wash doesn't make your skin dry. Generally what happens, this sensitive skin face washes make the skin super stretchy and tight, but it doesn't make it feel that dehydrated. I absolutely love using this face wash because this is so refreshing and it gently removes the dirt and purifies the skin and deeply hydrates the skin. So I really love this. As you can see, it is not that much foamy, but you feel supremely refreshed and hydrated, which is a great thing. So I'm massaging my skin for just 30 to 60 seconds, and now I'll be washing my face with just normal water. So I've washed my face. Now please do not drag your towel, just dab it, and you can see my skin is super happy. See, my skin is mattifies, but that there is a glow onto my skin. You can see There is no scars at all. Just a single little heartbreak here. Anyways, it will be gone. Okay, so I have dried my face like this. Now it's a splash time, which is I'm going to use this Mom's Co natural green tea toner. Now this has niacinamide, apple cider vinegar, and let me tell you, natural plant AHS and aloe vera and cucumber. Now while the green tea extract regulates sebum production and soothes the skin, apple cider vinegar controls the acne, and it also balances the skin pH. Natural plant AHS gently exfoliates your skin, and aloe vera soothes and gives a refreshment to your skin. Now let's just splash onto my face. Wow, it smells so good, guys. It doesn't have a very strong smell or a fragrance, just a natural fragrance to this. And I forgot to mention that this toner is absolutely alcohol free, so you just don't need to worry and go for this. I'm just dabbing it and let it soak. My skin will drink this toner and it will be hydrated. Aloe vera and cucumber extract gently boost your hydration level, and also helps to brighten the skin. See, wow, my skin feels so refreshing, guys. I absolutely love the Mom's Co green tea range, because these products are Australian certified. I'm again repeating, these are absolutely toxin free, and this has no harmful chemicals, silicone, paraben, mineral oil or SLS. So you can blindfoldedly go for this if you have oily, acne prone and sensitive skin, or if you are finding a perfect solution for your acne prone, sensitive and combination skin. This is a natural way to get to the glowing and happy skin. Okay, now let me mention the prices of this face wash. Retails for 298 rupees for 100 ml, and this toner retails for 226 rupees for 100 ml. Now you will get flat 15% off with this discount code right here on the website. I'll be share the link in my description also. If you want to check, please check that out, and please let me know that if you have switched to this product, what are your thoughts on this range? Do you like this or not? So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you have liked today's simple review video of mine, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, give lots of likes, share a lot of love, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon. Tap the bell icon and get all the notifications from my channel. So that's it, guys. Love you. Bye bye.